2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song for Halloween. Last week I've been doing like a theme, Halloween theme. Scary titles. Ooh. Werewolves in London. Come on. Warren Zevon. Alright, so this is very easy song actually. We're in standard tuning. Let's go. We got D. If we just play the chords, we got D major. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. And G major. Basic chords, the whole song, but to make it more interesting and kind of playing like the guitar player, can do this cool thing. So instead of playing this, you can do it inside the chords to make it sound bigger with acoustic guitar. So grab D like this, first finger G, second finger B string, 3rd fret, and then pinky, we're gonna go 2 down, and grab pinky on 4th fret G, lift it up. You can play the A in the bass too. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the C. Let's see. Yeah. Second finger A, 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret B, mute the D string. We don't want to hear that. And then add first finger on 2nd fret G. So first open 2. And then put it down, lift it up, and then G, we're gonna play like this, second finger, 3rd fret, low E string, mute the A string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, B string, and add your first finger on 2nd fret, D, and up. It's the same rhythm. Let's check it out from the top. A little bit over the verses. Put your right hand on the bridge. And for the chorus, Werewolves in London, you just strum. D, C, regular C. time. Verse, come on. Cool. And this kind of playing we can use for other things. Maybe that's another lesson. But if you play blues, you know. Something like that. Okay, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Fun stuff. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe. Take it easy. Take care.